how to uninstall VS Code or the Visual Studio Code from your PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Vesnel, and today I'll guide you on how you can uninstall, remove or delete the Visual Studio Code from your PC. Now, it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now, in order to remove any application that is installed, any software that is installed on your PC, what you can do is first you want to head into your start menu. At the bottom you can see the Windows or the start menu. You can click on it, and once you click on it, you want to click on the search bar and you can search in for ads. Simply type in ad and you'll get this list of options here. You can see add a printer, add or remove programs as well. So you want to simply open this up. Once you open this up here, you'll be able to see list of installed applications. Now you can simply head into settings, and under apps you can head into installed apps as well. Then from here you can see list of installed applications. Now I don't have VS Code or the Visual Studio Code, but I'll just be showing you how you can do it. Suppose this is a Visual Studio Code, suppose you have it here. Then at the right hand side beside every application you can see there's three dots option. You can tap on the three dots option and there you'll get advanced options and you'll get uninstall options. If you tap on if you click on uninstall there, then you'll see that it'll ask you for confirmation. Click on uninstall again, left click on it, and once you do so, here it'll take you to the uninstall setup guide and you'll be able to uninstall it. So this way you can uninstall VS Code or the Visual Studio Code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.